Guys, we have huge upcoming Bitcoin buys, and one of them may have happened already. And of course, it's Michael Saylor, and that's why we probably moved $2,000 up. He wants to buy 2 billion more Bitcoin, and reports says he wants to do Monday, but maybe he got a little antsy and actually did it 6 o'clock Sunday night. As you can see right here, we were just chugging along, and boom, right there at about 6:55, 6:40, 6:55, boom, way up, and we kept going up. And now we are kind of like, in this section where we kind of like leveled off at just above $80,000. What does that have to do with Michael Saylor? He may buy up to 2 billion Bitcoin tomorrow, but that might be already bought. Or perhaps it was Similar Scientific with their $500 million purchase. So even in this time, we have those two purchases. Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, has indicated that MicroStrategy plans to purchase additional Bitcoin, with reports suggesting acquisition could occur tomorrow. Maybe they just front ran it and it actually occurred today. Estimates for the upcoming purchase range up to $2 billion, with some sources mentioning a $500 million buy. Like an immediate $500 million buy at about 655 would actually trigger a Bitcoin price rise of probably around $2,000. Maybe it'll like retrace tomorrow, but it could actually just stay high as MicroStrategy buys more. But MicroStrategy is not the only buyer in the market right now. Similar Scientific is a separate case. That's a publicly traded company, and they're wanting to buy $500 million worth of Bitcoin. Of course, now, Saylor says nearly 55 million people now have exposure to Bitcoin through MicroStrategy shares, including many companies. So Bitcoin is digging itself more into the corporate world. I'm hoping that this pump continues with Similar Scientific's buy, and MicroStrategy buys more on top of what they are buying or have just bought. Now, I am not sure if this was MicroStrategy's buy just a few hours ago, but with the way that we actually went up, which is like completely suddenly, and Saylor announcing this at the same time, I think there's a decent chance that, the 655 period did actually see some MicroStrategy buys right here. So he might be pumping us again. I don't mind if he pumps us because obviously I want it to pump. In terms of altcoins, we're going up for the most part. Nothing major realistically, but we're slowly going up the ladder on the altcoins. I still think Bitcoin dominance is going to actually increase for the time being, probably until around 68, possibly 70% at this time. But we have healthy rises in the other altcoins. So that's good to hear. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button, and I will see you guys later.